Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make your Windows 11 running computer type each and every words for you. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older Windows operating system, then these tricks may not work for you. So if you're using a Windows 11 on your Raspberry computer, then you can follow this tutorial. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any note writing application. Say I'll just open a notepad application, right? So after opening any notes application, now on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus H in order to activate the voice typing command. So now you need to use your external microphone so that it works perfectly, right? So now let us test if it can really type the words correctly, whatever we gonna speak here. So we're gonna check it out. So just click on this microphone icon. Hello everyone, can you type a word for me? So you can see it's perfectly working. So you can see here it's perfectly typing all the words. So you can see here each and every word has been typed properly. In my case, there is no any spelling or sentence mistakes. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make your Windows 11 running computer type each and every word for you. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.